Hi everyone, today I got invited to apply for KYC verification for Pi Network. I'll walk you through step-by-step guide on how to do it. Click on start verifying and you can see that Pi Network uses a third-party app called Yoti to verify your ID digitally. So what does Pi KYC include? So Pi Network collects information like name, photo, mobile number, email address, date of birth, gender, etc. And it is done via third-party app named Yoti, which would collect a photo of your government issued ID like driver's license or passport or state issued IDs. Yoti is a pretty intuitive app, very easy to use. However, I'll show you the step-by-step process on how to verify your KYC. Now let's click on verify with Yoti. And once it is done, it will take you to their website. You can download their app from either Apple Store or Android Store based on what you have. Click on get. And it will download. Once you install, open the app. First step is to create an account in Yoti. In order to create an account, click on create account. They'll show you their privacy policy. As a good habit, try to go through the privacy policy. People usually ignore reading privacy policy, but it's always a good habit to go through. It will show you what you are consenting on, and also it will show other details in terms of what data they collect, why they collect, and what is their legal obligations, and what is your rights. So once you read through this, then you can accept and proceed. All right, I feel confident and I continue. So next step is to verify your date of birth. Enter your date of birth and country. And they say it is required by law. It won't be stored or shared. So enter your country of residence and also your date of birth. Once you enter, proceed. And here they'll show the biometrics that they collect, which is your face, and how they capture your biometrics, which is through your camera, and how they use it. So this information they clearly provide in this area. And also they say that they'll be using your biometrics for their internal research purpose, which you can always turn off. So using settings, all right, you can go to settings, account settings and analytics. There you can turn it off, which is you can opt out. So once you're good about that, click on agree and continue. So in order to create a PIN, before that you need to verify your phone number. Again, this is not the one that you have already done with Pi Network. This is separately for Yoti app. You need to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number. And then verify. Enter the code. Click on verify. And enter a 5-digit PIN. And enter it again. And now they'll take your 3D scan, which is basically they'll scan your face using the photo. So they'll show clear details on how to collect, how to give that photo. So make sure you have sufficient lighting. And click on continue. Click allow access to camera, and then show your face and capture it, and they will capture it for you. So, and once they'll process, now this is when you have successfully created your account with Yoti. All right. The verification, KYC verification is yet to be done. This is just that you have created an account with Yoti. So next step is to verify, or before that, try to create a recovery, save the recovery file just in case you lose access in order to recover Yoti account. Once that is done, click on done. And now the main thing that you need to do, or the only thing you need to do here, is to add ID. So the second section you see there is ID documents. Click on add and click on your country of residence, and you have options to select what you want: passport, driver license, or state ID. I used my driver's license. Use a clear table or a area where you can keep your driver's license. Capture it with your camera as they suggest in the step-by-step guide, and make sure you are capturing both the sides, and then send it to them, which is basically click on send, and it will be submitted for verification. Great thing about this is this verification takes only 5 minutes max, and they say we are reviewing, and once you wait, the review will be success. If the review is success, it will show up as success, and then you can also add a photo, just like a Facebook profile picture. Similarly, you can add a photo for that. And now you have successfully verified. Now you also can turn off this our internal research, because this is for Yoti's internal research, which we don't want to share. It's up to you. You can either consent or not. You can always turn it off. And now you can send details to Pi Network and click on send. This will pop up basically when you go to Pi Network app and come back. This will pop up, and click on send. It will go through socialchain.app. It says request expired, but still it got verified. There's just a bug there. Click on OK. Open the Yoti app again, and you can see that I have shared my details with Pi Network. I can see whom I sent to, which is Pi Network, and what and all I sent in the details sent. Now if you open Pi Network and watch the beautiful ad, and then open on the left side menu and click on profile, you can see that identity verification is success. So that's all folks. This is how you verify KYC. Thanks for watching.